If you are coming to my channel for the first time and you are hearing ventilation for the first time, do well to visit my channel, see what ventilation is all about. I have so many videos on it, so go click and know what ventilation is all about. But in a layman's understanding, ventilation is a part of wig making, whereby we do closure, we do frontal, we do 360 wig, and we do all of that in order to make a wig. So if you are here for the first time, do well to subscribe to be part of this family, as we are here to learn. This channel is all about tutorials, DIY, lifestyle, wig making, hairstyling, and so much more. So subscribe to be part of this family. Okay, so today let me answer some of the questions that I have here, and it's concerning ventilation. Ventilation is part of wig making. So number one question is, how do I start a ventilation as a business? How do I start ventilation as a business? Number one thing you have to do is to get the equipment. After you have gotten the equipment, you do what? You learn how to do it. Learn how to do it properly, and not just do anyhow. You skip rope. You don't want to learn. You have started buga that you know what you are doing. So calm down, get the equipment, learn how to do them, and advertise your work. When I mean advertise your work, I mean advertise your work on social media platform. Advertise your work for correction to people who are the pro, who are your teachers, who you are learning from. So advertise your work, get the correction, and implement your correction. And yeah, so with that, you can start as a business. If you know what you are doing, you can start advertising your work to get work from clients, to get work for people to give you work. And when you do the work for them, they pay you. Yeah, business have started. So that's how you can start ventilation as a business, either in a big way or in a small way. All of them is business. So number two is, what are the equipment needed? The equipment needed in ventilation is a manicure head, which is a dummy head, ventilating needle, hair, either human hair, hair blend, attachments, and Swiss net. So you can get them either in large quantity or in small quantity. And yeah, these are the equipment that you need. Number three is ventilating job lucrative? In other words, can I make money from this ventilating? Can I make money from this ventilating? Yes, you can. But it all depends on you. If you want to make a living, if you want to make money from it, it all depends on you. It all depends on how fast you are. It all depends on your seriousness towards the job that you want to do. So, and how fast you are, you don't, maybe because I want to be fast, because you want to be fast, you start ventilating anyhow, skipping hole, to deliver a work. Before you know it, you are scaring people away. You are scaring your potential customers away, because you might do one work for them, you have ventilated fast, so you do the work and you give them. They will not come back again. They will not bring people for you again. So I will advise you, in as much as that you want to ventilate fast, calm down and ventilate properly and give them the work and make money, because all these things is all about networking. You network, they bring someone bring another person, this person bring another person, and yeah, you are making your money. And someone like me, you are making your money. So what you have to do is to motivate yourself, sacrifice your time, be patient enough, deliver a good and neat work, and yeah, you will make a living. You make a good cash from it if you want to. And number 4 questions is, how many days, hours, week does it take for one to finish a ventilating? For one to finish ventilating a closure, frontal, to 60 weeks. There's no specific time. We don't have a specific time for it. Someone can even finish in 4 hours. Someone can finish in a day. Someone can finish in 2 weeks. Someone can finish in 1 week. There's no specific time. Someone like me, I don't have any specific time. I can finish a closure in a day. Another time I will do the closure, I can finish it in 1 week. So, and most times I don't like say, okay, let me do this closure. I'll be doing it all the time. I have so many things I'm doing, So, most times I do them at my leisure time. I'm doing that one. But if you want to know, this is my work, I'm doing it all the time. What you have to do is, when you wake up, take your bath, come out, pick your work, which is pick your equipment, your closure that you are making, or your dresses that you are making. Pick them and start, and give yourself time. Maybe the hours in intermediate is just to go and cook, go and eat, refreshing up, continue, or maybe take some rest. So you might finish it in a day. A closure, which is 2x6 closure, or 2x4. 2x4, you can finish 2x4 in a day. I'm talking of 2x6. You can still finish that one in a day if you want to. But all in all, what I'm trying to say is that there is no specific time to ventilate any of this. We don't have any specific time to ventilate any of those. Okay, so another one is, can I use crochet hook? You can use crochet hook, my dear. I have a video I uploaded where I used crochet hook when I was starting. The first closure that I made, I used a crochet hook. But one thing with crochet hook is that when you are using it, if you don't master your hand, the net will be tearing. And not only that the net is tearing, you will not be fast. So now that I'm a kind of pro, I can boast that, I can do the work. So I don't advise a beginner again to use a crochet hook. If you want to ventilate, go to market and get ventilating needle. Okay? And another question I have here is, can I make the ventilating needle? You can, definitely. You can make a ventilating needle. I have a video on this channel where I made ventilating needle. Funny enough, I've been using that ventilating needle for a while. If you are following my video, you know that my ventilating needle is not like the common ventilating needle. The hook is somehow, I made it, and I've been using it on my channel. I've been using it to make all the closures and frontal and 360 week that I've been making. But then it's of recent that I went to market and bought a new ventilating needle. But what I'm trying to tell you is that you can improvise. Me, I believe in improvising in anything. I believe in improvising in anything that I want to. I believe that you can. Anything that you say you want to do, you can. So if you want to make your own, no discouragement. Go and make your own and start the work. Start your ventilation. So another question is, where can I get all those? Go to any beauty store where they say weave-on stuff, hair stuff, then you can get one. They sell all those things there, so go there and purchase one and start. So my advice there is, if you are scared, if you are afraid of starting, be your own motivation, be your own encouragement. You cannot start until you have started. So go to market, purchase those materials and start. I'll be open in the comment section, so leave a comment in the comment section. I will attend to all of them if I see them. So if you are a beginner, if you are still learning, if you have any confused, do well to also leave a comment in that comment section. So last, be your own motivation. Be willing to sacrifice time. Be willing to endure the pain. Be willing, because it comes with a lot of pain. So be willing to endure the pain. Okay? So I hope I've motivated you. I hope I've answered your question or confusing question. If you have again, still drop it in the comment section. I will attend to that. So thank you for staying to this moment. Okay? I love you all. Yeah, so take it too. I love you all. So bye. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, yeah, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to be part of this amazing family. And yeah, to be part of this amazing family where we come to learn and have fun. So see you in my next video. Bye.